Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of artificial intelligence just got a whole lot more interesting. In this corner, we have the reigning champ, ChatGPT, known for its smooth-talking ways and uncanny ability to write like a human who's had a few too many espressos. And in the other corner, the fresh-faced challenger, Gemini, hailing from the Googleplex, armed with real-time web access and a knack for all things visual. These two heavyweights are going head-to-head in the ultimate battle for AI supremacy, and we're here to break it down for you. So buckle up as we explore the core capabilities, performance quirks, pricing strategies, and user-friendliness of these AI titans. This ain't your grandma's tech talk, folks. This is the future, and it's happening right now. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's see how these AI contenders handle the gift of gab. ChatGPT, the seasoned veteran, excels at keeping the conversation flowing. Need a witty response? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want a structured summary of a complex topic? ChatGPT can whip one up faster than you can say artificial intelligence. Gemini, on the other hand, takes a slightly different approach. While it may not be as naturally chatty as ChatGPT, it makes up for it with its ability to understand and respond to a wider range of inputs. We're talking text, images, videos, you name it, Gemini can handle it. It's like the Swiss Army knife of AI communication. Both contenders bring their A-game to the table, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. But ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. If you're looking for a conversational partner that can keep up with your witty banter, ChatGPT might be your go-to. But if you need an AI that can understand and respond to a wider range of inputs, Gemini could be the better choice. Now let's talk brains, or in this case, training data. ChatGPT, despite its impressive abilities, is working with a knowledge base that's frozen in time, stuck in a pre-2024 world. It's like trying to explain the latest TikTok trends to someone who still thinks yeet is a type of goat. Gemini, however, has a secret weapon, real-time access to the internet. That means it's constantly learning and updating its knowledge base, making it the go-to AI for staying ahead of the curve. So, if you need the latest information on current events, breaking news, or the ever-changing world of internet memes, Gemini is the clear winner. ChatGPT, while still a formidable opponent, is playing catch-up in this department. Alright, time for some head-to-head competition. When it comes to writing feedback, Gemini's Canvas feature blows ChatGPT's out of the water, offering detailed suggestions and insights that would make even the most seasoned editor nod in approval. However, when faced with complex prompts that require a bit more brainpower, ChatGPT pulls ahead, proving that it can still handle the heavy lifting when it comes to creative writing and problem-solving. In terms of bias and safety, Gemini takes the high road, consistently providing neutral and ethically sound responses. ChatGPT, while making strides in this area, still has some room for improvement. And finally, let's not forget about cost-effectiveness. ChatGPT's free version, with its occasional hiccups and limitations, still offers a solid bang for your buck. Gemini's free tier, while integrated with Google's ecosystem, comes with a stricter usage limit, making it less appealing for those on a tight budget. Section 5, Show me the money, pricing and access. Speaking of budget, let's talk dollars and cents. ChatGPT offers a tiered pricing structure ranging from its free version to its Premium Plus plan, which unlocks the full potential of its AI prowess. Gemini, on the other hand, requires a subscription to Google One AI Premium, a bundled package that includes extra storage and access to other Google services. So, which one is the better deal? It depends on your needs and budget. If you're a casual user who only needs occasional AI assistance, ChatGPT's free version might be sufficient. But if you're a power user who demands the latest and greatest features, be prepared to shell out some cash for either ChatGPT Plus or Google One AI Premium. Section 6, User Interface, First Impressions Matter. Now let's talk user experience. ChatGPT's interface is as clean and simple as a freshly wiped whiteboard. It's all about text-based interaction, with a no-frills design that gets straight to the point. Gemini, true to its Google roots, embraces a more visually rich approach. Its responses are peppered with images, videos, charts, and links, making it a more engaging and immersive experience. Both interfaces have their merits. ChatGPT's minimalist approach is perfect for users who prioritize speed and efficiency. Gemini's multimedia-rich environment, on the other hand, appeals to those who prefer a more visually stimulating experience. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preferences. Section 7. Big data, big questions, privacy concerns. But wait, there's more. Before we crown a champion, let's address the elephant in the room: data privacy. Both ChatGPT and Gemini collect user data, and while they claim to use it for noble purposes like improving their models, it's always a good idea to read the fine print before you start sharing your deepest thoughts and desires with an AI. The details of their data collection practices can be found in their respective privacy policies, and it's worth taking a few minutes to understand how your data is being used. After all, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to protecting your digital footprint. Section 8, A Whole New World, Alternative AI Explorers. Now before you think it's a two-horse race, keep in mind that the world of AI is vast and ever-expanding. There are other players in the game like the insightful Perplexity, the balanced Claude, and the creative Meta AI, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. And let's not forget about specialized AI tools like Canva, Leonardo.ai, and Character.ai, which excel in specific areas like design, image generation, and character creation. The point is, the AI landscape is constantly evolving, with new contenders emerging all the time. Section 9. And the winner is It Depends. So after all that, who emerges victorious in this epic AI showdown? The answer, my friends, is not so simple. It depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you're looking for a conversational AI that can write compelling content and provide quick answers, ChatGPT is a strong contender. If real-time information, visual integration, and ethical considerations are at the top of your list, Gemini might be the better choice. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try both platforms for yourself and see which one best fits your workflow and preferences. After all, the beauty of the AI revolution is that it empowers us with choices. So go forth, explore, and discover the AI companion that's right for you.